Mitchell. I'm very glad you can come to our factory today.
Thank you.
How do you think our factory and the machine will show you today over now?
Very good. Quality is very good. Factory is very well maintained. For all the factories I've been to this week, it would be one of the best I've been.
The best one compared with the other factory.
Exactly. Yeah. Quality is very, very, very good in Paris. There are a lot of machines. The quality is the panel work especially is very good.
Yeah. Because we always put the quality and our service and our main part. So that's why we have a lot of our customer purchase again and recommend to our service and to buy the machine.
Sure.
So I'm very happy to see you again. Hope we can make things later. Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you.
Well,
Yes.
thank you.